What's up guys? Today we have brought you best 5 blender. From budget-friendly, superior quality, user feedback and top ratings on Amazon. NutriBullet Blender. NutriBullet 11-piece set blender and food processor for kitchen, with over 40 million bullets sold. Make it fast by keeping it simple. Does any job in 10 seconds or less. High-speed blender and mixer. 10-second recipe book included. Like your personal kitchen food processor and blender assistant. Do it all with high-speed blender and mixer system. Chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince. Handy, versatile and easy to use, the NutriBullet blender and food processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the NutriBullet blender and food processor chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soups super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The secret to the NutriBullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape. These features work together to quickly and forcefully circulate food back into the cyclonic cutting zone, allowing the NutriBullet to do virtually any food prep task in seconds. NutriBullet Pro 900 watts of power. The Pro is faster and stronger than the original, but just as simple to use. Load it up with dense whole foods like nuts, seeds, hard fruits, and kale, then push, twist and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Optimized 900-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend the toughest whole foods into nutritious shakes, smoothies, and nut butters. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High-performance, BPA-free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable. Hassle-free cleaning, simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited time only. Customize the color of your NutriBullet to perfectly Dash stand versatile, sweet or savory, the dash stand mixer is your perfect kitchen accessory for frosting, meringue, creamy dressings, doughs, baked goods and more. Compact, weighing less than 5 pounds, and standing only 10.4 tall, the dash stand mixer fits underneath most kitchen cabinets, perfect for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, or limited countertop space. Cord length, 40. 6-speed, this portable, compact mixer packs a punch with a 250-watt motor and 6 different speed options ranging low to high to whip, beat or knead with even, uniform results is free. The fully tilting motor head makes removing the mixing bowl and ejecting the beaters or dough hooks easy, no more mess. Plus, the retro design and variety of trendy colors options will accent any kitchen. Includes, dash stand mixer is backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty and includes a 3QT stainless steel mixing bowl. Dash Quest Clear Power Blender, 1.5L super durable glass blending jug with handle and pour spouts, equipped with stainless steel blades and 2 powerful blending settings, plus pulse. Versatility, the perfect blender for your kitchen. Make coffee drinks, desserts, frozen cocktails, shakes, soups, smoothies, and even snow cones with the Quest blender. Safe, stable and easy to clean, non-slip feet for stability, while the durable blending jug is dishwasher safe. Dial it in, easy-to-use illuminated control dial blends in a single step with low, high, and pulse settings. Cut the mess, the lid prevents splatters while blending and Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender. Crushes ice with ease, patented ice saber blades combined with a powerful 700-watt peak power motor crushes contents quickly for smooth, icy drinks. Smooth results. Ordinary blenders spin contents around the walls of the jar, which can leave whole chunks untouched by the blades, but our patented wave action system is designed to continually force the mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results without stirring. Heat-resistant glass jar. The 40-ounce glass jar is thermal shock tested to withstand extreme temperature changes. It is perfect for parties or making a pitcher of shakes and smoothies that the whole family can enjoy. Mix, puree, ice crush and more with drip-free serving. 14 blending functions handles a variety of blending needs. Plus enjoy no-mess serving with an easy pour spout designed to eliminate drips. Easy to clean, the lid, blades and glass jar are dishwasher safe, and the base comes with storage for the cord. 3-year backed by a 3-year. The durable motor is life-tested to blend 8,000 frozen drinks. Equipped with 700 watts of peak power, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite blender can give you the perfect blend every time. With 12 different functions, you can create classic smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes with the touch of a button. With only 5 simple buttons, the control panel is clear and easy to use. Unique, no-mess pouring spout makes for a clean and easy pour, great for soups or slushy drinks. Patented wave action system continuously pulls mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results. Ice Saber blades provide supreme ice crushing power. 700 watts of peak blending power. Wave action patented system. Multi-function blender with 12 blending functions, easy to read control panel. Ice Saber blades. Dishwasher safe jar, blades, and Hamilton Beach products are thoughtfully designed to make your life easier. We use consumer insights, in-depth research to deliver the best solution to your everyday needs. Whether it's preparing delicious meals and beverages effortlessly or making your clothes look their best, you can count on the brand that has spent over 100 years creating products with you in mind.